To control doors, first launch the Maxpro Cloud app on your iPhone and log into your Maxpro Cloud account. Once logged in, select the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then select My Sites. A list of sites to which you have access will be shown along with a map indicating the site's locations. Select the site you wish to access and the screen will load that site, listing all the alarms, devices, and activities on that site. Select the Doors tab and a list of all doors on the site will be displayed along with their state. Tap on the specific door you wish to control to view all the activities on that door and associated devices. At the top is an Actions button. Select this to view all the available actions and tap the action you wish to execute. The command will then be sent to the appropriate controller, which will initiate the action and update the status. This concludes the steps to control doors using the Maxpro Cloud iOS mobile app. Please visit HoneywellDiscoverTraining.com for additional resources. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.